Hello students, good morning. Welcome to our mathematics class. Students, we know very well we are on our chapter number 8, right? What's the name of chapter? Its name is Comparing Quantity. And students, already I sent exercise number 8.1 and 8.2 till 5th questions. Okay, so students, today we are going to learn new sums, example sums, which is given in your textbook. So see, open page number 154. See, first question is what? Find the ratio of 3 kilometer to 300 meters. So students, before to start its solutions, you can see here the unit of measurement is not equal. Okay, so here the 3 is given in kilometers and 300 meters. Okay, so whenever we find the ratio of any unit, so first of all we have to convert it in same unit. Okay, so see, first convert both the distances to the same unit. Okay, kilometers into meter. Okay, here the kilometer is given, so we know 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? 1000 meters, right students? Okay, so we write here 3 kilometer is to 300 meter. Okay, it is given in our question. So see, 3 kilometer is to 300 meters. So 3 kilometer, we want to convert it into meters. So we multiply 3 with 1000, right? Why? Because 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? 1000 meters. So that, is it clear? See, 3 into 1000 meters is to 300 meter. We write 300 meter as it is. Okay, so we will get 3000 after multiplications of 3 into 1000. So 3000 meter and 300 meter. Okay, so see, same unit we will get. Okay, now see, we find it's a factor. So see, 3000 is equal to 300 into 10, right student? And 300 meter is equal to 300 into 1. Now just check which number is common here. So 300 and 300. Okay, so we just cut it, 300 and 300 both sides. So which number is remaining? Here the 10 and here 1. Okay, right? So we read this ratio as the 10 is to 1. Okay, here we will get our answer. Okay student? Okay, you can take a snapshot from here to calculate the sums in your notebook. Now students, see example number 2. Are the ratios 1 is to 2 and 2 is to 3 equivalent? So here the question is what? So see, two ratios is given. Okay, here first one is 1 is to 2 and second one is 2 is to 3. So we have to find is it equivalent or not. Okay, so see, first we write this ratios into which form? Fractions forms. Okay, when we write this ratio in fraction form, so we easily calculate its reduced forms or LCM as it is. So see, and then we start to compare it. So here the first ratio is 1 is to 2. So we can write it in as a fraction form as a 1 upon 2, and 2 is to 3. We write as a fraction form 2 upon 3. Okay, now see, compare these both fractions. So here the denominators are not equal, right students? So what we need to find its LCM. So here we can find directly its LCM. Why? Because in denominator you can see 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are prime numbers. So whenever you find the LCM of prime number, you just multiply that number. So you will get its LCM. Is it correct? So 2 into 6 is equal to what? 6. Right students? Now we write it 1 upon 2 as it is. Okay, and see, denominator is what? 2. So with which number we multiply 2 to get 6? So it is 3, right now. So same effect we will give in numerator. So we multiply 1 into 3, right? So see, 1 3 is 3 and 2 3 is 6. Okay, and see, 2 upon 3 first upon we write as it is, and now see which number we multiply with 3 we will get 6, so it is obviously 2, right? So same effect we will give in numerator. So 2 2 is 4 and 3 2 is 6. Now see, both denominators are equal, right students? Okay, so we can compare it very easily. So see, 3 upon 6 is less than 4 upon 6, right? This is the symbol of less than. So this number is small with the compare of this number. Okay, right students? So see, 3 upon C, it is the answer of which fractions? 1 upon 2, right? And 4 upon 6, this is the answer of 2 upon 3. So we write 1 upon 2 less than 2 upon 3. Okay, so therefore the ratio 1 is to 2 and 2 is to 3 are not equivalent. Okay, is it equivalent? No. 1 upon 2 is less than 2 upon 3. So we write here, therefore the ratios 1 is to 2 and 2 is to 3 are not equivalent. Okay students, understood? Now see example number 3. Following is the performance of a cricket team in the matches it played. So in this table you can see the year, wins and losses. Okay, losses of the matches. So last year and this year. So in last year the number of winning match is equal to 8 and number of losses match is equal to 2. Same way this year the number of winning match is equal to 4 and losing match is equal to 2. Okay, so question is what? In which year was the record better? Okay, so we have to find both years. Okay, last year and this year. In which years the record is better? And second question is what? How can you say so? Okay, so how we give the answers of question number 1? So we have to calculate all the methods. Okay students, so see, it is very easy. See, first upon ratio of we write last year's and this year. So last year the winning match and losing match is equal to, see, 8 is to 2, right? So 8 is to 2 means what? 8 upon 2, right? Understood? Same way this year winning is 2 losses, so 4 winning and 2 losses. So 4 is to 2. So it is written as 4 upon 2. Okay students, understood? Now see here 8 upon 2 is given. So we can reduce this fraction, okay, by the find it by the method of prime factorization. So 8 is equal to write as a 4 into 2 and 2 is equal to 1 into 2. Okay, so which number is common here? 2 and 2. So simply cut it. So which number is remaining here? 4 and 1. So 4 in numerator and 1 in denominator. So 4 upon 1. Same way in last year 4 upon 2. So 4 upon 2 to 4 is right as a 2 into 2 and 2 is right as a 1 into 2. So 2 is common in numerator denominator. So simply cut it. Okay students, so which number is remaining here? 2 upon 1. Here last year 4 upon 1 and this year 2 upon 1. So we can see 4 upon 1 is greater than 2 upon 1. Okay, hence we can say that the team performed better in which year? Last year, right? Why? Because the last year's ratio is 4 upon 1. Okay, and this year the ratio is 2 upon 1. So which is better? Last year's ratio, right? Now, so we write here the team performed better last year. Okay students, understood? Now see what is in your HW. You have to solve this example number 1. example number 2 and example number 3. Okay students, take a snapshot from here. Thank you.